Imagine for a moment that you could dive into the heart of your favorite movies, experiencing every moment intensely as if you were right there. Open your eyes wide because this dream is now within reach with the CHIQ U65H7A. It is not just a television, it is the gateway to a universe where every detail comes to life before you, where every sound envelops you, transporting you directly into the action. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description. Now, to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours right away. This screen is the ultimate choice for movie and video game enthusiasts seeking an unprecedented immersive experience. Thanks to its 4K HDR image quality and smart features, it is ideal for families and tech enthusiasts looking to transform their living room into a cutting-edge entertainment space. With its 65-inch screen, the CHIQ is not just large, it is monumental, but its true beauty lies in its borderless design, a technological feat that stretches the image to the very limits of your field of vision. Imagine watching your favorite series or movie and feeling like the screen extends infinitely. This is the immersive experience that the CHIQ promises. Thanks to LED technology and a 4K Ultra HD resolution, every scene is breathtakingly clear. You see the world through the screen with the precision and colors you never thought possible. Furthermore, with HDR10 and Dolby Vision, each image is dynamic, rich in contrast and detail, allowing you to perceive the subtlest nuances even in the darkest or brightest scenes. And guess what? You can own this television with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But a television today must be smart, and the CHIQ does not disappoint. Android TV opens the door to a world of content with Google Play, allowing you to access applications, games, movies, and music. Google Assistant is at your service to search for content, control your smart home devices, and much more, simply by using your voice. The entertainment doesn't stop there. Streaming services like Netflix, Prime Video, and YouTube are directly integrated, giving you access to thousands of movies and series in just a few clicks. Imagine being able to switch from a blockbuster to a documentary, from a series to a viral video, without any interruption. This is the promise of CHIQ. Technology goes beyond just image and intelligence. Sound, a key element of immersion, is enhanced by Dolby Audio. Whether you're watching an action movie with powerful sound effects or listening to a concert, you will feel every note, every explosion, as if you were there. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description and revolutionize your daily life. And for those who love gaming, the triple-color Mali 470 graphics processor transforms your living room into a true arcade. The colors are vibrant, the movements are smooth, and the gaming experience on the big screen is so real that it takes your breath away. In addition, the screen sharing technology allows you to easily project content from your smartphone or tablet onto the television, making it easier than ever to share your favorite moments with family and friends. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, exceptional image quality. 4K UHD resolution with HDR10 and Dolby Vision for realistic images and vibrant colors. Advantage number 2, borderless design. Maximizes the viewing space for total immersion. Advantage number 3, smart TV running on Android. Easy access to a multitude of applications, games, movies, and streaming services via Google Play. Advantage number 4, voice control with Google Assistant. Allows for easy navigation and control of smart home devices. Advantage number 5, enhanced audio experience, thanks to Dolby Audio for cinema quality sound. Now, let's move on to some drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1, complexity for non-tech savvy users. With so many features and options, the learning curve can be steep for those who are not familiar with smart TV technologies. Disadvantage number 2, stand support. The dimensions with the stand may require significant space for optimal placement, which might not be suitable for all living spaces. In conclusion, the CHIQ U65H7A is not just a television, it is a window into a world where technology and entertainment merge to create unforgettable experiences. With thousands of customer reviews attesting to its quality, this television turns every viewing into an epic adventure. If you dream of being part of this world, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description to order it now at the best price. to learn more about these features and discover the lives of those who have already taken the step towards the future of home entertainment. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.